Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2021 Ford F-150 in an XL trim with the STX Appearance Package and powered by a 2.7-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing with some great fuel efficiency. But let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back, where you have spacious seating for three that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo. And then in the middle, you have two cup holders with a 12-volt and USB and USB-C down there. Looking into the front, you do have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. Now sitting in the truck with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can look at your digital speedometer, trip information, driver assistance features and settings, fuel economy, eco coach, and comm screen. Then moving on to the left, you have your cruise controls with your lane keeping system and your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom. And moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable. Then you have your Bluetooth phone controls, navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost, whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle, and your general truck features, such as driver assistance, towing, and owner's manual. But then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera, so you can see where you're going, with dynamic hitch view, so you can zoom in and have an easier time hooking up a trailer. Above that, you have your camera view again, your hazards and your traction control shut off. And moving down, you have your media controls and then your climate controls here. Pretty simple, easy to use. To the left, you have your 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential and drive mode selector for normal, slippery, deep snow, sand, mud, ruts. Then on the opposite end, you have tow, haul, eco, and sport mode, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. And then moving on to the right, where you have a 12-volt and USB and USB-C, as well as this compartment up here for more storage. And moving down, you have this cubby area here with another USB and USB-C, so you can plug something in from there too. Looking at your column shifter, which does have select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears. And then moving on to your center console area, where you have two cup holders, large cubby here, and your lockable center compartment / armrest with a removable tray, ton of room inside, and another USB and USB-C there, so you can plug something in from there as well. But I believe that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.